through. On this episode of Let's Go to Disneyland during different weather, this is rainy weather Disneyland.
You weren't here yesterday.
And no, I was, but I got drenched all the way from the waist down. And then I went outside. We're here with Jaycation from San Diego. Take two. We're here at Disneyland. Last time someone interrupted me because she had to say that it was raining harder yesterday and that our life is easy, that it's just drizzling today. We're here at Disneyland with the trees during Christmas time. We're gonna see some Christmas treats, some Christmas food, Christmas lights. So I'm here with the one and only Mr. Drip Drip.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Jaycation.
Feliz Navidad.
Let's get started. Our first ride, 10-minute wait. Space Mountain. How do you think this day is gonna go?
This day is terrible. I'm not having a good time because Disneyland sucks. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
There you go.
I'm kidding. I'm having a great time.
I think we're gonna go on a lot of rides in the first, until lunch, until people figure out it's not gonna rain anymore.
Let's do it. Ride it.
Space Mountain.
Yeah.
Is that a hidden Mickey? Like a sharp hidden Mickey? Like a Tron looking hidden Mickey? So is this a hidden Mickey right here? This hole from different angles? We're here for ride 2. We're making good time because nobody's here yet. So I don't see my chiropractor anymore. This ride did it. Pop my spine back in place and then back out again and back in place again. Oh jeez. It's like I'm getting rammed from the back. There's the Filipina at Small World. Look at her dress and her shoulders. Look at it. Yay! Oh, we found 25. Elvis is around Elvis's neck. Yeah. Ride number 3 of the day, Small World. How many 25s? There's 25 25s in the ride. How many did we find?
2.
Please remain seated
I don't know where they are, but it's pretty good. We've been here for less than an hour. We got 3 rides in. About to eat.
Where's my entry?
The rain cleared, the clouds cleared. It's a sunny day at Disneyland now. Look how the castle has snow. So we're at Banyan Barbecue. I got the Bengal rice plate. This was $18.49 minus whatever the discount was. And Jay got the Banyan beef skewer and tiger tail breadstick. And they're pretty good. See that Indiana Jones sign right there? If you follow it to the tree and go down, here's a little forgotten fact about Disneyland. There's a little leprechaun that lives in there. His name is Patrick Bigora. And sometimes they put a wreath during Christmas. Excuse me?
It's not decorated for Christmas.
Oh, it usually is?
Yeah, there's usually like a wreath.
Patrick?
Yeah.
He's out for the season. He's on vacation, I guess. All right, we just ate Banyan barbecue, and it was spicy, it was hot. But you know what else is hot? The susu. The susu. You could almost reach it. This is the other side of the turd coming out. So you can see it right here.
Next ride, Splash Mountain. Let's check it out.
Ride number 4. And we've been here for an hour and a half. Ride number 4 and we ate. So that's we got a lot of stuff. Right there, getting cozy. Get a splash right here. I got squirted on my face like Violet Myers. Dang it. Why did we even go on this ride? Yeah, I got drenched. It like knew to go exactly in my sleeve. For some reason. Got pretty drenched. Camera's drenched. My socks are drenched.
Last time I ride Splash Mountain before it turns to pieces in the fog ride.
Did you get drenched?
Un poquito.
Trip is complete without a Dole Whip.
We invite you to enjoy this king of
Pineapple
fruits
goodness
and
right
a
here.
taste of the islands wherever
Like
you
this guy
call
wants a
home.
taste.
Aloha.
Ride number 5. We ate.
Best remove them.
Best remove 'em. Who's that from? Who's that from?
Adam the Woo.
That's right. Adam the Woo. Come join us. Shall you? Get it, Mickey. Look at that. Oh, it just tore off my nail.
You better cut your nail.
We came in during the rain and we could get on anything we wanted so easily. But now, word has it that it was going to be a no rain day. Look at all this crowds coming in right now. It's 11:30. Good thing we got what we needed to do. Got it done. Now we just gotta chill and try not to stress about lines. Maybe grab a drink across the way. So there's a huge influx of people that came in because it was not raining anymore. And then so back in the day, you know, if you want to think of about the past, a few months ago, the Padres beat the Dodgers. So I owe his dad a drink. And we're walking around and I don't see any Dodger gear around, but I see a lot of SD and a lot of SD and a lot of Padres stuff. So it's crazy. Now we're gonna come across Festival of Holidays and Disney California Adventure. I didn't realize it was gonna be this crowded. There's a lot of people. So I guess we're just gonna get a drink or something and just, you know, just chill, take it easy. We already went on all the mountain rides and Small World, so we just chill. Pork belly adobo. I got the iced coffee with Kahlua. Jay got the
This is
what
my
you
next
get?
video.
Oh.
Jay got the hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Friday.
with
By
the-
Friday, it'll be out.
At Gourmet Coffee.
Nice to meet you, April.
There's a Jay ran into a fan right there. Got the chicken tikka masala in the sunset.
Look, guys. Get that cilantro taste to it. That's good.
If that's it, you got the loaded yucca fries. These are not yucky.
Yucca.
They're yucca. At DCA, at Disney, everyone around Disneyland, there's all these secrets. We saw some trees that are like had that little leprechaun house. There's a Dominguez tree, and this tree right here is the Hulk tree. See how it's all thick and juicy? There's a small tree right there, small tree right there, and this is thick AF with 2 C's. This is a thick tree right there. And if you look here, it says gamma radiation spilling. So I tried to kneel down there and put my crotch there, but try to see if I could make it bigger and Hulk out. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Ride number 7, web slingers. So we're at the Tom Holland talking area of Spider-Man in the line. You go to this claw machine and look, zoom in, and is that what I think it is? Claws from Wolverine in a claw game on Groot down there. And if you look to the top, to the left, you can see the Death Star that he was building with his Legos in the movie. I think the first one. We just finished web slingers. My arms are so tired. I need this action to practice this action more often.
I'm forever
For your
like
safety,
this.
please remain seated.
Praise be to God.
Getting old. Getting old. Curry mac and cheese. And what is this? The lox. Something the lox. Let's see that. Here we got a PB&J flavor lab for the baby. Hope she likes it. You can make your own. And we're inside Pim Test Kitchen, and you can see a huge ketchup and mustard. And then you look up, it says 6 April. That's Ant-Man, Paul Rudd's birthday. So Jay,
What's up, bro?
got a pink lemonade lager. What do you think?
Pretty darn good.
I got a marshmallow stout. Tastes like marshmallow stout. And there's a Pim's honey for the honey. You know, I'll be a keyboard warrior. You know.
And we have the lovely Judy here and their baby Bachuza.
High five. Right on cue.
Right on cue. Right on cue.
We got Mrs. Latrus here.
And so much
We
for
got
hiding the
Liv.
baby.
We are here by the where they show Frozen, and it says Wakanda Forever. Look at that. It's a Wakanda Forever background. And if you go a little deeper into the woods, into Wakanda, you see this huge panther right here with glowing eyes. Man, look at this. This is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. It's like it's a Black Panther huge head there. That's their tribute to Chadwick Boseman, the original Black Panther of the MCU. May he rest in peace. Man, look at that. That's pretty cool. It's coming out pretty. There you go. There's Jay. Wakanda Forever. Alright, we're here at Disneyland side again. And look at all these lights, and then bam. Missing section here. That's like a hula hoop. Big tree, we're done. We got a little tired. I think we each had like 4 hours of sleep.
Exhausted, bro.
But we're all done. Thanks for coming by, Jay.
Thanks for having me, man. Appreciate
Yeah,
your hospitality, brother.
No problem. We had a good time. We got on our rides. We got some food, and we got everything we needed. Got your hat. Got some ornaments. Got to see this big tree, and that's it. That's our Disney day.
Thanks, brother.
Next time, hey, maybe next year. Hopefully, see
Mele
how it works out.
Kalikimaka.
There you go. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Disneyland. Going to Disneyland tomorrow, and it's gonna rain. So I packed extra shirt in a Ziploc, extra socks in a Ziploc, got a jacket just in case my sweater, a jacket that's kind of like not fabric, and it folds slowly. And then this is a poncho, and then this is another poncho, full body poncho, and this is like a wide poncho. I'm probably gonna wear a full body poncho and then wear the backpack over that, and then wear this over that poncho just to stay dry for the couple hours that it's supposed.